Welcome to class today too. You are welcome to CBT lesson today. And as I said the other time, we were treating meal service and we look at the table setting. We talk about two table settings, the formal and the informal, where we said the formal ones are the ones when we go to dinner parties, we meet. Then the informal ones are the tables that we set in our various homes. Today we are going to look at the importance of table setting. Importance of table setting. Now, why do we set table? In our previous lesson, I talked about a lot of importance during my explanation. I said it boosts the appetite of the eater. Then it makes the place look nice. But before then, let's go to what we have written. Table setting makes eating more pleasant, as I said. A well-laid table stimulates appetite. It enables guests to obtain maximum satisfaction from the food before them. Then let's look at points to consider when setting a table. So these are the advantages or the importance of table settings. So we look at points to consider when setting a table. Why will you set a table? What are the things that you look out for before you set a table? As a caterer, the very first thing you look at the number of individuals taking the food or the meal, or the people that are coming to the party. So when you know the number, you know how to prepare your food. Then the number of courses or dishes to be served, yes. So you know the number, and the number of food, it will depend on the table that you lay. Maybe you are going to serve 3 dishes at a time. Maybe rice will go, or a starter, that is soup to start the food, then rice will follow, then a dessert or something. All these things will depend on the number of course of food that you are going to serve, and that type of table is what you are going to set. Then cleanliness of the cutlery, cookery, tablecloth and surroundings. Yes, you have to make your table setting neat. That is, your cutlery should be washed well. Your cookeries, that is your plates, your glasses for drinking, should be neat. Then tablecloth that you lay on the table to attract people to come and sit behind the table too should be neat. Then your surrounding, that is the environment, should be well swept, clean up, no cobwebs, dirt, dust here and there. The place should be neat. Then the fourth one, consider the occasion of the meal. Yes, the every occasion and the kind of meal that is being prepared. My wonderful learners, let us move on to our next topic. Our next topic is equipment needed for table settings. Things that you need to set up your table. And a table with attractive and well-landed napkins. Your napkins should be attractive, that is colorful, very bright to attract people to sit behind. Then also you should laundry it, and your napkins should be well folded into their tumblers and that to attract others to sit behind your table. Then we have the cutlery, spoon, knives and fork. Yes, those ones too should be there. Then your cookery, your plates and your glasses should be nice. Flower for decoration. You need a flower vase, a vase and a flower in it to decorate the table. Then drinking vessels, all the kinds of drinking glasses that we have is supposed to be there. Rules for table setting. With every table, we have a rule for setting it. That is, arrange cutlery in the order of use. Forks are placed on the left-hand side and knives and spoons on the right-hand side. The cruet is placed at the center of the table within easy reach of the guest. That is, the cruet, we have a cruet where we put in maybe pepper. Sometimes we put in salt, Other times a salt, depending on the dish on the table and what is lacking or what people may need. We put it in the cuvette. A flower vase should be placed at the center or at the end. Yes. Place drinking glasses at the top right hand side. Fold serviettes neatly and put on the side plate or inside the tumbler. We have a glass. At times when you meet, we go to dinner party, you see a glass with tissue in it, and that is the glass we call the tumbler. Place the plate in the center of the cover. When we talk of cover, it refers to the table space in front of a person's seat. So on this note, my wonderful learners, sit down. I'll send to you your notes. You read over and over and answer the questions that comes under it. On this note, I'll pause here and call it a day.